How are you? How's it going? Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Hurry up, we're getting late. Chop chop, we're getting late. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. I like you a lot. I'm so into you. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? That's a big house. That's an enormous house. It's quiet in here. It's absolutely silent in here. That's an old book. That's an ancient book. It's a hot day today. It's a scorching day today. She's a small person. She's a petite person. That's a bad movie. That's a terrible movie. That's a funny joke. That's a hilarious joke. That's a dirty shirt. That's a filthy shirt. I'm happy with the results. I'm overjoyed with the results. That's a small mistake. That's a minuscule mistake. He's a clever inventor. He's an ingenious inventor. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain. I forgot. It slipped my mind. Let's get started. Let's commence. It's very easy. It's quite straightforward. It looks nice. It appears quite appealing. I don't like this. I have an aversion to this. That's interesting. That's quite thought-provoking. I can't find it. I'm unable to locate it. Can you believe it? Can you fathom that? I need a break. I require a respite. I can't wait. I am eagerly awaiting. I feel relaxed. I feel at ease. It's a bit late. It's somewhat tardy. I feel bad about that. I feel remorseful regarding that.